Let me guess. You're spending way too much money at Starbucks. Same. Literally, I'm so addicted to these matcha lattes, it's not even funny. And up until I recently figured out how to make my own at home, I was buying like one almost every day. And that can add up. So if you'd like to find out how to make a beautiful iced matcha latte right from your own home, stay tuned, as I have a special ingredient that I use to make mine that you're not going to want to miss. And it literally tastes, in my opinion, better than Starbucks. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some matcha, of course. This is the brand that I'm using right now. It's called Matcha Love. I got it at Whole Foods, and it's about, I think it was like $13, but like it'll last a while. So don't be afraid to spend a little money. It's way cheaper than getting these at Starbucks for like $6 a pop. You just make your own at home. So good. Okay, and super healthy for you. So worth it. All right. Next, you need some maple syrup. Next, you will need some almond milk. I like the vanilla, like sweetened. I guess it's unsweetened vanilla, but I like vanilla or sweetened, whichever. I just like the little bit more to it, you know. And then obviously a cup, a whisk. Now you can use one of those like matcha whisks things, like the bamboo things, but we are simple and lazy, so we're gonna use a whisk. And then of course you're gonna need some ice. I think it's like already melting. That's why it's not cracking. So you're gonna need some ice. All right, let's get started. So first, mug, syrup. Now I'm not gonna measure this out, but you can. Use about like a tablespoon of maple syrup, or maybe a little more. I don't know. I like mine really sweet, but that's all about your preference. So we're gonna put a little bit of that in there, and then the matcha, it also like tells you instructions on how much to use of this as well, but I usually just dump as much as I want in there. Probably about a couple teaspoons max. And like the more you add, the greener it'll be obviously, and the more matcha-y it will be. So we're just gonna go with that and see what happens. And then add a little bit of this in there, a little bit of milk, so you can mix it around. Now this is the important part, to get the frothiness of Starbucks's matcha latte and to get all the matcha all mixed up. So this is gonna take you like 10 years. So to go make it a little faster, just take your hands and do that. Do that a little bit till like it's all mixed up. Okay, so after that's done, you're gonna add some more milk. And then just give it a little light mix. Get it all mixed together. And finally, ice cubes. And there you have it. The best freaking matcha latte you're ever gonna taste. I'm telling you, it's like better than Starbucks. Plus, you made it yourself, and it's probably healthier. I know Starbucks matcha mixes theirs with like an artificial sweetener, so you sweetening it at home with maple syrup, it's probably definitely a better call, and you can make it whenever you want, however much you want. It's so good. It's so good. I'm so excited for you to try this. Oh my god. So if you do try this, please take a picture. Oh, I just did that. If you do try this at home, please take a picture and tag me in it, because I would love to see what your thoughts are. Maybe compare it to the one at Starbucks. So this was really quick. I tried to make it that way just to show you guys something really freaking tasty. I literally drink these all the time. So prepare to be obsessed. Okay, I think that's all. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe right down there in the corner. And if you're looking for more vegan recipes or ideas or food or drinks or anything like that, feel free to check out my Pinterest page. I've done all the hard work for you. I've taken a whole Pinterest page, collected everything by category. I've got mains, soups, salads, like everything there, drinks, etc. And all of the ingredients and the recipe is right below the link. I know in a lot of Pinterest page, a lot of pins on Pinterest won't have the recipes like right there. You have to actually like click a bunch of like different links and stuff, and sometimes they don't even work. But every single one on my Pinterest page has it right there. You don't have to go anywhere else. You don't have to go off Pinterest. And they look bomb. So, and every time that I try one out, I definitely write it in the pin. So check it out. Yeah. All right. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.